The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 103. Well, a very good afternoon to you. It is Sunday the 3rd of November 2024, and as you can see behind me here, I am beginning to make some progress on my modifications of the deck here. I've still got quite a lot of stripping and varnishing to do underneath the seats, and I've got some woodwork here that needs repainting, but apart from that, it is doing very well at the moment. I did have to spend quite a lot of time unexpectedly on the electrics of the boat, and that will form the subject of my next video, which goes out on Saturday the 9th of November 2024 at 8 AM. I'd like to say a special welcome to the new subscribers to the channel over recent days. You're very welcome, and I hope you are enjoying the videos that you have watched. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please feel free to do so. It's a great encouragement to us to keep making these videos, and it's completely free. If you've liked them, then please give us a thumbs up, as that helps to promote the channel on the YouTube algorithm, and more people will get to know about the channel. Please feel free to make any comments, and I will try and answer all of them as soon as possible. So join me for my next video on Saturday the 9th of November 2024 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank you all for your continued support, and as always, do take care.